Good day. This is another video brought to you by Civil Engineering Notes, our construction notes. Chapter 1, Materials of Construction, 1.1 Stones. Rocks from which stones are obtained may be classified in the following ways: geological classification, physical classification, and chemical classification. 1. Geological classification. On the process of formation, rocks are classified as igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Picture a volcano spewing fiery lava, the birthplace of igneous rocks. These rocks are created when magma or lava, which is hot molten rock, cools and hardens. Igneous rocks exist deep within the earth or on its surface, displaying a variety of colors, textures, and sizes determined by the speed of their cooling process. These rocks are strong and durable. They are further classified as volcanic rocks, cooling of magma at Earth's surface, extremely fine-grained and glossy. Examples: basalt and trap, hypochyseal rocks, cooling off magma at shallow depth, fine-grained crystallized structure. Examples: quartz, dolerite. Plutonic rocks, cooling of magma at considerable depth, very strong and crystalline structure. Example: granite. Sedimentary rocks act as nature's storytellers, unveiling insights into Earth's past. These rocks develop from the gathering and compression of sediment layers, consisting of small particles such as sand, mud, and even remnants of flora and fauna. With time, these layers solidify, transforming into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and compaction of sediments over time. They often contain fossils and provide clues about past environments. Examples of sedimentary rocks include limestone, sandstone, and shale. Metamorphic rocks are like the shapeshifters of the rock realm. They form when existing rocks, whether igneous or sedimentary, undergo remarkable changes triggered by extreme heat, pressure, or the influence of fluids deep in the Earth's crust. These alterations result in distinct textures, patterns, and sometimes even new minerals within metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from the alteration of pre-existing rocks due to heat, pressure, and chemical processes. They often have a layered or banded appearance. Examples of metamorphic rocks include marble, slate, and schist. Granite becomes gneiss. Basalt changes to schist and laterite. Limestone changes to marble. Mudstone becomes slate. 2. Physical classification. Based on the structure, rocks may be classified as stratified, unstratified, and foliated rocks. Stratified rocks. They have layered structure. Examples: sandstones, limestones, mudstone. Unstratified rocks. They possess crystalline and compact grains. Example: granite, trap, and marble. Foliated rocks. They have foliated structure. Along the planes of foliation, they split easily. These planes are not parallel to each other. Examples of stratified rocks: sandstone, formed from compacted sand particles, often showcasing layers of varying colors and textures. Limestone, composed mainly of calcite, this rock is typically formed in aquatic environments and can display distinct stratification. Shale, a fine-grained sedimentary rock that often splits into thin layers, commonly found in sedimentary basins. Conglomerate. Made up of larger rounded clasts cemented together, this rock can illustrate significant layering effects. Mudstone. Similar to shale but lacks the ability to split into layers, this rock is formed from fine sediments and can show varying stratification. Examples of unstratified rock: granite, basalt, gabbro, obsidian pumice. Examples of foliated rocks: schist, gneiss, slate, phyllite. 3. Chemical classification. Siliceous rocks. Main constitute is silica. These rocks are hard and durable. Examples: granite, trap, sandstone. Argillaceous rocks. Clay is the main constituent. These rocks are brittle. They cannot withstand shock. Examples: slate, laterite. Calcareous rocks. Calcium carbonate is the main constituent. Examples: limestone, marble. Siliceous rocks. Examples: granite, trap, sandstone. Argillaceous rocks. Examples: slate, laterite. Calcareous rocks. Examples: limestone, marble. That's the end of Chapter 1, Materials of Construction. 1.1 Stones. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe to get new lessons.